Most people aren't living. They are just managing their debt until they die. You know that feeling when your salary comes in, and within a few days it's gone. You pay bills, you send money home, you buy food, you handle emergencies, and then you look at your account balance and wonder, how am I back here again? You're not lazy, you're not stupid, you're not bad with money. You're just trying to survive. Most of us were never taught how money works. We were taught how to work for money. Wake up early, obey instructions, don't complain, collect salary. But nobody taught us how to make money work for us. And that's why it feels like no matter how hard you run, you're still in the same place. But listen carefully. Your current financial situation is not your final destination. Read that again in your mind. It's not final. Yes, you may have made mistakes. Yes, you may have spent carelessly before. Yes, you may have trusted the wrong people. Yes, you may feel behind in life. But you are not finished. Personal finance is not about being rich overnight. It's about deciding that from today forward, you will respect your future more than your impulses. It starts small. Tracking your money, saying no to unnecessary spending, saving even when it feels insignificant, investing in your skills, building something that pays you beyond your time. Small decisions, repeated daily, ruthlessly. Because success with money is not magic. It is discipline compounded over time. And here's the powerful truth. Every wealthy person you admire once stood where you are, confused, broke, frustrated, doubting themselves. The only difference? They decided to change their financial story, and they stayed committed long enough for the results to show. You don't need millions to start. You need a decision that you will no longer live in survival mode forever. A decision that your children, your family, your future self will not inherit your financial stress. A decision that you will learn, grow, adjust, improve. You can rebuild. You can restart. You can rise again financially. Your income today does not define your income tomorrow. Your mistakes do not define your future wealth. Your background does not limit your financial ceiling. But your daily habits, those will. So ask yourself, are you going to keep reacting to life? Or are you going to design it? Because personal finance is not just about money. It's about freedom. Freedom to choose. Freedom to rest. Freedom to say no. Freedom to walk away from what drains you. And that freedom is built one disciplined action at a time. Start today. Save something. Learn something. Build something. Plan something. Even if it's small. Because 1 year from now, you will either thank yourself or wish you started today. And I believe this. You are capable of more than survival. You are capable of stability. You are capable of wealth. You are capable of winning financially. This is your restart. This is your comeback. And it begins, not when you feel ready, but right now.